There's a simple truth about wealth that many overlook. The single biggest difference between financial success and financial failure is how well you manage your money. To master money, you must manage money. Some believe that financial success is a matter of luck. They think that if they could just earn more, all their problems would disappear. But I have seen men earn fortunes and lose them just as quickly. And I have seen those with modest means build great wealth over time, simply because they understood this one truth. Money is not about how much you have, but how well you handle it. I once knew a man who worked tirelessly, earning more money than he ever imagined. But no matter how much he made, it slipped through his fingers. He spent freely, never keeping track, always assuming more would come. And then, one day, it didn't. He found himself with nothing, wondering where it all had gone. And then there was another, a man of modest income, yet he was never in need. He set aside a portion of every dollar, spent with intention, and invested wisely. Over the years, his small choices compounded into something extraordinary. When others struggled, he stood firm. When opportunities came, he was ready. Money is like a river. If you do not guide its course, it will flow away, lost in the currents of life. But if you direct it with care, it will nourish the land, building something strong and lasting. The key is not to wait until you have more, it is to master what you have now. Ask yourself, do you know where your money goes? Do you spend with purpose or out of impulse? Do you save and invest, or do you hope that wealth will somehow find you? The way you handle money today determines the opportunities you will have tomorrow. Many believe they will start managing their finances once they have enough. But the truth is, if you cannot manage a little, you will never manage a lot. Wealth is not created by luck or wishful thinking. It is built through discipline, awareness, and respect for what you have, no matter how small it may seem. This book holds decades of careful records. Not because I was rich, but because I knew that every coin, every dollar, had a purpose. And that purpose was to build a future not just for myself, but for those I love. So, I ask you, how do you treat your money? Do you command it, or does it control you? Are you building a foundation, or are you waiting for fortune to appear? True wealth is not found in the amount you make, but in the wisdom with which you manage it. Master your money, and you will master your life. If this message spoke to you, take a moment to reflect. Share in the comments, what is one step you can take today to manage your money better? And if you know someone who needs to hear this, send it to them. Let's take control of our financial future together. Master your money. Master your life.